In today's digital world, news is instant. It's live. It's everywhere. And at Spericorn, we're redefining how the world consumes it. As a leading news technology company, Spericorn crafts transformative digital experiences, delivering custom-built solutions that enhance accessibility, personalization, and real-time reporting. From seamless live updates and multimedia content delivery to personalized news feeds and smart push alerts, our platforms are built for speed, scale, and engagement. Our expert teams collaborate with you from concept to launch, turning your vision into a powerful, real-time digital news platform with robust integrations and intuitive interfaces. Whether you're building a dynamic news platform, integrating real-time updates, or optimizing editorial workflows, Spericorn has the solution. Custom news platform development, live update and breaking news integration, multimedia content management, audience analytics and personalization tools, AI-powered news curation, cloud-based editorial workflows. Boost engagement and reader retention with intelligent user experiences. We help news organizations connect with their audience and capitalize on new revenue streams through advertising, subscriptions, and analytics. Leverage the power of artificial intelligence and cloud computing to streamline operations, curate content, and deliver relevant stories faster and smarter. Our mission is to help you stay ahead of the curve, delivering fast, reliable, and innovative news experiences that build loyalty. Join the future of digital journalism. Partner with Spericorn, where technology meets storytelling. Contact us and book your free consultation now.
Let's create something amazing together.